Judge handling suit against Izeyamu candidacy linked with Wike. The All Progressive Congress has petitioned the judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tisoho, asking for the transfer of two suits filed against the candidacy of Mr. Osagi Izeyamu as the party's flag bearer in the forthcoming governorship election in Edo State, from Justice Taiwo to another judge of the court. The party stated that it would not get justice from Justice Taiwo because of his alleged strong affinity with Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State, who belonged to the River People Democratic Party. The PDP had nominated Governor Godwin Obaseki as its candidate in the forthcoming September 19, 2020 governorship election in Edo State. The APC in its August 20th 2020 petition signed by its National Secretary John Akpanru Doha-Hehe alleged that Wike had openly boasted that he would do everything to ensure that the PDP wins the Edo State governorship election. Aside the alleged affinity between Justice Taiwo and Wike, the APC also expressed doubt about the judge's impartiality in the handling of the cases so far. The party stated that on August 10, 2020, when suit number came up for mention, the learned judge Suo Motu abridged the time allowed by law for the defendant to respond, even when some of the defendants have not been served with the originating processes, by fixing the matter for August 24, 2020 for hearing, and that responses must be filed before then. That at the time the learned judge made the said order, a motion on notice to bridge time was pending before the court, which had not been served on all parties. The APC said it had no confidence that it would get justice before Justice Taiwo, and therefore humbly requests that the said matters be transferred to any other vacation judge in the Federal Capital Territory. In one of the two suits referred to in the petition, two APC members, Momo Abdul Razak and Zibiri Mohizo, asked the court to disqualify the party's governorship candidate, Izeyamu, and his running mate, Mr. Audu Faniyi. The plaintiff grounds for the suit included allegations that Ganiyu gave false information to INEC in aid of his qualification for the governorship election. When Abdul Razak and Muhizu cases came up for hearing on Monday, Justice Taiwo said he could suspend hearing the case to await the decision of the chief judge. The judge told Izeyamu counsel, Mr. Roland Otaro San, and counsel for Ehiegie West Idahosa, that the court's new practice direction did not allow a judge to withdraw from a suit the moment a petition was filed. The defense lawyers, they applied for an adjournment to enable them to respond to the suit. The judge then adjourned till September 3rd. Thank you for listening to this news. It's getting hot. Edo gubernatorial election is getting hot by the day. It's getting hot by the day. And this is what has never occurred in Edo State for once. It has never come to play. Edo State has never experienced something of this kind. And who do you think is the cause of all this? Adams Oshomole. Because if Adams Oshomole has not developed so much hatred for Obaseki wouldn't have thought of this idea of leaving APC to PDP. And PDP on their own side wouldn't have developed grudge against Obaseki. But look at what this is causing. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? I'm not. But if you are, my dear, you really need to wake up. Because this is what Edo people caused themselves. This is what they caused themselves. No wonder, right from the beginning, the word Oshomole belonged to rejected him from the onset. They rejected him from the onset because they already know the problem is causing to them. Oshomole has been causing problems upon problems for these people. My viewers, if APC really know what is good for them, they should do something about Oshomole or else APC will be a forgotten party. Completely. It will be. APC is gradually losing its name. It's gradually losing its name. Or don't they know, or have they forgotten the parties that were reigning in the past, but today we no longer hear about them? Have they forgotten NRC during the time of Abiola? Have they forgotten? Have they forgotten AC and how it was changed to now become APC? Have they forgotten? If they really want the party to be a forgotten party, they should keep on with this, and they should keep adhering to Oshomole's dubious and deceitful lifestyle. They should continue. They should continue, because I'm seeing Oshomole pushing APC to a complete pit, to a very big pit, which they are already experiencing. If they don't take time, they will see it and they will be surprised. They have not seen anything. They haven't. One bit. My viewers, what is your take on this news? Please don't hesitate to leave your comment behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.